Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn how to send an italic message on Telegram chat. Whether you want to highlight a word, add a stylish touch to your message, or create emphasis, this simple feature can make your text look much better. So let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, go ahead and open any chat where you want to send your message. This can be a private chat with a friend, a group chat, or even a saved message to yourself for practice. Next, type your message in the chat box at the bottom of the screen. Write out what you'd like to say just like you normally would. You can type a single word, a phrase, or a full sentence. It's totally up to your style. Now, to add italics, tap and hold the specific word or sentence you want to make italic. This will highlight the text and bring up some formatting options. On most devices, you'll see a small menu appear above the selected text. Then, tap the three dots that appear in that menu. This will open up more text style options. From here, choose the option labeled Italic. You'll notice your selected text immediately changes to a slanted style, showing that it's been formatted correctly. Once you're happy with how your message looks, simply tap Send. Your italic message will now appear in the chat, ready for others to read. It's a subtle but effective way to make your messages stand out without overdoing it. That's all it takes. You now know how to send an italic message on Telegram. It only takes a few seconds, but it adds a neat professional touch that can really change the way your messages appear. Try using italics to highlight thoughts, emphasize tone, or make your chats look more polished. If you found this helpful, explore other simple Telegram tips to level up your messaging experience.